Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited, y'all, for this video. So y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. If y'all noticed, that first extraction was really clear, and it's because I got a new gadget that I've been trying out and I'm loving it. So y'all, on a lot of these extractions, I have been using this new tool, and it gives me a real clear view of the extraction. Now, it is very, very sensitive. When I say sensitive, it's very sensitive. So y'all have to bear with me on some of the extractions where you'll see me moving more than normal. But I'm getting the hang of it, and I think it's gonna work out for the better because of the quality of the camera. Basically, I'm giving y'all more like a HD extraction versus just recording with my iPhone Pro camera. Now, this particular this particular extraction was recorded with my iPhone. So this is not one where this one is HD. I used my new gadget when I recorded this one, and you can see her skin clearly. Y'all know I have a lot of kids, so y'all have to excuse my little baby, my 2-year-old, if y'all hear her in my background. So y'all, I usually would do this voiceover late at night or early in the morning while they're still asleep. But I was so excited to post this video that I'm not waiting, because I have to download it and I have to save it and I have to upload it. And if I wait another night, it'll be another day or two before I actually get it posted. Y'all. That hair is literally under a thin layer of skin, and I'm doing this with my HD camera too, and it's just so clear and it amazes me. Like I said, I still have to get the hang of it, so y'all have to bear with me with the motion and stuff like that, because I'm new at using this tool. Hold up, y'all. Stop for a second. Did somebody say we was at 100K subscribers? Y'all, I am dropping these extraction tools in honor of my 100K. Y'all always asking me for the hook tool, my famous hook, my favorite tools. All those are in my extraction kit. Yes, I'm so excited. So y'all, the link to purchase those tools will be in the description below. And I have a special price for the first 1,000 people to purchase the kit. Yes, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You guys, I am so thankful for every last one of y'all. I'm so thankful for every subscriber, every view, every like, every comment. I'm so thankful for you guys, and it's just such a blessing to me to reach 100K subscribers. I wish I could throw some kind of party, a subscriber party with y'all, or a family party, because y'all are not just subscribers. We family over here. Like, some of y'all, I see y'all names pop up. I see your comments pop up. Y'all have been watching my video for like the past, 3 years? I think I've been doing YouTube. Y'all, it's just so, I don't know. The feeling is just overwhelming. It just feels good to know that I'm growing, and I'm just excited to see where this channel is going to go. So y'all, I was trying out tools and packaging and all kind of stuff to try to come up with the perfect set, and I must say that I am very impressed. I love the kit that I'm offering to you guys. I think it's well overdue. Well overdue. Y'all, these clips are from one of my clients' underarm. So if you see this skin tone or it looks like it's the same skin, it's because I'm working on both of her arms, and I was just pushing out as many blackheads as I could in her time frame for her appointment. So y'all, in honor of me hitting 100K, or I'm right at it, I'm at like 99,600 I think as I make this video. I'm gonna drop my next few videos. I will share them with YouTube too. Usually I'll do one for YouTube, and then I'll do one for Patreon only, exclusively for Patreon. Then I'll do one for YouTube, then I'll do one for Patreon. This month I'm gonna share every video with YouTube. Only for this month though, because I still have to offer some type of reward to my patrons. Yes, I love you guys. Thanks for everybody who subscribed to my Patreon. If you don't know, Patreon is just another channel that I post on, because YouTube doesn't pay content creators like me that much money, because they say that our content is considered shocking. So on Patreon, I'm able to set a set price that you pay monthly, and it just pays me that way, as if I have like a channel like Netflix or something. So yeah, you can always subscribe to my Patreon. So I know I've been talking a lot about the camera that I'm using and the extraction tools, but do y'all see a difference with the, I guess, the quality of the actual picture? Like I said, I know it's rocky and it's not as still as it would usually be, and that's because I have to get used to still working with this new device. I like the quality of that pus busting out that I still posted this particular extraction, even though it's very rocky and it keeps going off the screen. That's because I just haven't got the hang of the new camera yet. So don't be too mad at me. I promise I'm working on motion. But look at that hair, y'all. Like, this is what I'm asking. Do y'all see the quality of the image? Like, you can see the extraction better? Or do y'all like the iPhone extractions more? Let me know in the comments, because it's whatever you guys prefer. And I'll put this on here just so y'all can see how clearly we can see like every little hair. That little hair was stubborn, but y'all still see the clearness. Even with this one, I was working on this particular extraction and the hair just popped out. So I was like, hold on, wait, let me capture this just to show them how clear it looks. Now, y'all, that hair was tangled all up in there. It looked like it was maybe, what, 3 or 4 hairs, but it's only 2. I believe it was 2 hairs in that extraction. Don't forget to let me know if y'all like this more. All of these past few extractions have been with the new HD camera. These particular hairs, I'm just showing y'all because they show so clearly, so I wanted to pull them out on camera. These are actually stubborn hairs that were left behind after this client's wax. So you guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for supporting me in every way. I love you guys. Don't forget that I'm launching my new extraction kit tonight. The first 1,000 buyers will get a special price, and after that, it's going up, y'all. God bless you guys, and see y'all in about a week. Bye-bye. The link is in the description below.